Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll tackle the challenge of counting cells between two dates while considering multiple criteria. In this video, we'll explore not just one, but two methods to achieve this. Whether you're analyzing data for specific criteria or refining your Excel skills, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and explore these two powerful techniques. Let's see the first method in this tutorial, which involves using Excel formulas. This method is all about precision and is perfect for those who prefer working with cell-based solutions. Here's how to do it. Begin by specifying your criteria and defining the two dates between which you want to count cells. In this example, we're counting cells with the criteria, Excel, between two specific dates. In a cell, enter the following formula. This formula counts cells that meet the specified criteria and fall within the date range. Hit Enter to apply the formula. The cell will display the count of cells that meet your criteria between the defined dates. Now, let's dive into the second method, using a user-defined function created with VBA code. This method is all about efficiency and automation, making it perfect for large datasets or recurring tasks. Ensure your Excel workbook is open, containing the data and criteria you want to work with. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. In the VBA editor, go to the Insert menu and select Module. This creates a space to write your VBA code. Copy and paste the provided VBA code for the user-defined function into the module. Save and close the VBA editor. In a cell, enter a formula like this. Equals count criteria between dates left bracket A2 colon A7, B2 colon B7, D2, D3, D1 right bracket. This formula will return the count of cells that meet your criteria between the specified dates. And there you have it. Two powerful methods for counting cells between two dates with multiple criteria in Excel. Whether you prefer the precision of Excel formulas or the efficiency of VBA, you now have the tools to tackle this task with ease. Thanks for watching.